In this question, we're given the graph of a line and then asked to match it to its corresponding equation below. So to do that, let's just list a couple of characteristics about lines we know from grade 9. So the first type of line we get is a horizontal line. Now a horizontal line moves from left to right, and it usually has the form y equals some value, and again they move from left to right. Second type of line we have is a vertical line. So for a vertical line, those lines move upwards and downwards, and they have a constant x value. And the third type of line we use in grade 9 is what we call an oblique line. These types of lines don't move left to right and up and down, they do both. So they'll move up from left to right, or they'll move downwards from left to right. They have some type of slope to them, or slant. And equations that are oblique, they usually have x and y values. So maybe x plus y equals something, maybe y minus x equals something, maybe y equals 3x plus 2, but in essence they just have x and y involved in their equations. So if we look at the four options we have over here on the left, in A we've got x equals, so that corresponds to our vertical line. In B we've got x and y, so that corresponds to an oblique line. And for C we've got y equals -2, that's a horizontal. And for D we've got x and y again, so we've got another oblique line. Now the line we are given here passes through -2 and moves from left to right. So we've got a horizontal line here. So the only option that we can possibly choose here would be C.